Hi, my name is Frederick Cañas, and today we will be learning about biogeographic factors and its effect on diversity on both plants and animals. One of the factors of diversity is location. Usually, if the area is in a tropical area, it's more abundant and diverse when it comes to its population. An example of which is Malaysia. In Malaysia, the forests usually have about 711 types of species. While when it comes to Michigan, where it's not really tropical, the tree life usually comes to about 10 or 15 types of trees. Another factor in diversity is climate. Climate is important because it is used to measure evotranspiration. Evotranspiration is the evaporation of water from soil plus the transpiration of water from plants. It's basically just measuring the solar input and the availability of water. Evotranspiration is important in diversity because evotranspiration correlates with species richness. So the more evotranspiration there is, the more diversity there is among the animals and plants. This is called the species area curve. Area is here down where the x-axis is, and the number of species is here on the y-axis. The species area curve is used to determine that the more area there is, usually the bigger a number of species there is. And that leads us to the topic of islands. Usually because islands on the bigger side are usually more diverse than those on the smaller scale, because smaller islands usually have fewer resources, and because fewer animals immigrate to smaller islands because they're less likely to reach it because they probably won't be able to see it as well as they could a bigger island. And let's say there's a scenario. There's a bird flying and then there's a gust of wind. The bird has no control where it's going to land. It will most likely land on the big island because it's bigger, and it's a higher probability that it will land there than it will on the smaller island where it's very slim. And then as on any type of island species will increase as immigration will decrease. And another thing that affects island diversity is the closer they are to the mainland, because that's where animals go back and forth, they immigrate. And the farther they are, then the less diverse they get. Now that's basically it on the factors that affect diversity. So thank you for watching.